Three.
What is tax record?
That is a paper that shows record taxes you have paid.
What is about last will and testament?
Last will and testament is a paper that shows the last will or deeds from people who will die.
What about gun?
Gun is kind of weapon or fire weapon for shooting.
And what is title to the car?
That is an official paper that shows the cards of ownership.
And what about passport or birth certificate?
As an official paper that shows your identity.
And what is photo of a baby first haircut?
There's a picture that shows a babies that have this first haircut.
And what about grandpa's pocket watch?
That is grandpa's old watch that fit in the pocket.
And the last one, what is photo of an important event?
That is a picture that shows an important or a special event.
Yeah.